Alright, today I'm working on a 2004 PT Cruiser. I'm taking the rear shock out. What you're going to need is a 15 and an 18 millimeter. This top one's a 15. I've already loosened it. This nut is welded, so it'll stay still while you unbolt it. That's that. Down here on the bottom, this one is an 18. It has a retainer on the back. So we're going to go ahead and loosen it up. Try to keep a hand on the retainer there. Show you guys what that looks like. It has a washer in front of it. It sits like that. Take your lower bolt out. And your shock assembly should just pop out like that. I've got one jack under the axle and then one under the frame. Put the shock back in position. Put the upper bolt through it. Hand thread it. Then we're going to go to the bottom. The lower bolt. Let's get you down here where you guys can see it. You can pull this shock up by hand. Put your lower bolt through. Then put your washer behind it. And then put your retainer behind that, like so. Then you can go ahead and tighten it down. Alright, so once you got them ran down by hand, this one right here I believe is around 70 foot-pounds. That's it. And this lower one down here, I think is also close. I don't know the exact spec, but I'm going to run them both down to 70. This one I think is supposed to be, there we go, 65, and I think this one is 73. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.